Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So let's analyze the chart of Nifty 50 and then we will check what happened on Bank Nifty. So we started a day on a good note where it was a bullish candle at the start and followed by a couple of more strong bullish candles. And then after that, it actually started going sideways. So we are talking about a hourly time frame. I was analyzing the chart today during the market time, and what I realized is if you see the price was making higher highs, right? And on the other hand, if we look at the RSI, right, so it is forming a bearish divergence. So here you can see these are the lower highs, right? So here, what I thought is maybe we are running out of fuel and that's when actually it started going sideways. So now tomorrow it is interesting to see how it behaves. So my assumption would be we will maybe start our day with a gap up around 300 plus 18300 plus, and it is very interesting to see whether it sustains or not. If it sustains, we can wait for a 15-minute candle to close above this trend line, which is 18320 18330, let's say, right? So if it closes above that 15-minute, we can go long on a retracement, but otherwise I don't think it will. I think that we will face some resistance around this area and then maybe start going down a bit, right? I'm not expecting a big bearish move, but that's what here Nifty will try to spend some time and then maybe decide whether to go up or go down. So on a 15-minute chart, you can see we started the day. This was the earlier level where I just marked the levels of the previous highs, and that's where it took some rest around 9:30. But then again, gave a good breakout and then retracement, and then a big move again. And after that, it was a boring day. So that's on the 15-minute chart, and here as well you can see it in those couple of 15-minute candles. It showed a strength, then some weakness around this candle, and then again started picking up. So as soon as so as long as we actually stay above this, the above the RSI, I think we are good. So currently, this actually gives a good perspective on hourly chart that if we stay above 18300, we can go bullish or the trend will continue. And we can talk about reversals maybe only if it goes below 18,000. Otherwise, I don't think we can talk about bearishness. There may be some retracement and then it will start the upward move. So that's on Nifty. I'll show you the daily as well as weekly charts. Just a minute. So yeah, so this is daily. Uh, Quite convincingly, it has made the day's high, and if you see, it has closed above previous one candle previous high, right, which was 267. So this is on daily. Even on RSI, you can see we are pretty much strong on RSI on daily basis. And on weekly basis, if you see, there is a resistance around this area. So last week we faced this resistance around 56, and this week again I feel that as we are closing the 60 resistance area of RSI, we may see some resistance around this zone, 330, 350, like that. And obviously the super trend is available around 500, 18500. So there is a chance it may or may not, we don't know. Once we go above 330, we'll again go bullish for a target of 500. But if we don't sustain above 330, we'll go bearish. So that's on uh, Nifty. Now on Bank Nifty, you can see this is weekly. I can see some strength in banks, and that's what is leading to the rally in Nifty as well, or that is supporting the rally in Nifty. Here you can see the first instance where on weekly basis we tried to close above 60. We faced some resistance, and that's what I'm talking about in Nifty. We may face first kind of resistance here in Nifty. right? So even though maybe banks are strong, we may see some weakness in Nifty 50. And but bank, it is very good pattern for going bullish, as it has taken the resistance and then going up again. So once we start closing above, let's say 43 500 or 600, right, it will be a quick move of 200 to 300 points in a single day, which may take us around 44,000. So we are looking for that, and we may see some. So this week may be very strong for bank nifty, and maybe next week we may see some retracement, but otherwise we are overall bullish on bank nifty. So that's on weekly basis. Again, if I have to talk about daily, we made a good. So here you can see, so the RSI was making high, but all of a sudden last session was it actually adjusted or retraced a bit, and from 60 it has taken the support again. So that, on that note, we started a good or strong day as a bulls. And yeah, so this again, what I feel is, yeah, as I talked about, these are the levels where 480, which is today's high, close to today's high, and the second level will be 700. So if we close above these two levels, it will be very bullish kind of days coming for bank nifty. But otherwise, this will be a very good support for bank nifty, because you can see even last time it did spend some time around this area. So this is a crucial support for bank nifty. So this area, and even the super trend support for this matter, right? So these are the that's the outlook for nifty and bank nifty. And for tomorrow, again, we'll obviously look for whether it opens above this or whether it opens below this. And based on the breakouts of previous candles, we'll just take the decision. If it closes above this candle or this wick, we may start going bullish. Otherwise, there will be a sideways or down move on this. So that's about it for today on Nifty and Bank Nifty. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.